Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, let's engage in the fundamentals of networking, which is very crucial. Networking Fundamentals is a course for non-technical people that provides a broad understanding of the basics of computer networks. A computer network comprises two or more computers that are connected, either by cables, wired, or Wi-Fi, wireless, with the purpose of transmitting, exchanging, or sharing data and resources. Geographic location often defines a computer network. For example, a LAN, local area network, connects computers in a defined physical space, like an office building, whereas a WAN, wide area network, can connect computers across continents. The Internet is the largest example of a WAN, connecting billions of computers worldwide. Networks are comprised of four basic elements: hardware, software, protocols, and the connection medium. All data networks are comprised of these elements and cannot function without them. Now, let's firstly talk about the backbone of any network, that is hardware, which runs it. Network hardware includes network cards, routers or network switches, modems, and Ethernet repeaters. Without this hardware, computers have no means of accessing a network. Network cards give computers direct access to network media and enable them to connect to other equipment, including routers, switches, modems, and repeaters. Routers or switches allow a single network connection from a modem to be divided between several computers. In order for the hardware to interact with the network, it needs software to issue commands. The primary form of networking software is that which instructs network devices on how to connect to the network and how to interact with one another. Other examples of networking software include connection monitoring software, networking clients, and other tools designed to further facilitate your computer's ability to connect to the network. These are the standard protocols that facilitate communication between these network devices, which include HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, IP, Internet Protocol or IP addresses, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Network media is a communication channel that connects nodes on a computer network. Examples of network media include Ethernet, copper coaxial cable, fiber optic cables, radio waves, unshielded twisted pair cable. Without connections, a network cannot function. The medium used to connect the nodes of a network varies with the type of network. Wired networks will often use network cables like Category 5 Ethernet cables, while wireless networks make direct connections between devices using radio signals as the medium. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And if you have any questions, shoot them in a comment below. Let's dive in. Until next time, explore the digital world with confidence. Stay tuned. Signing off.